Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change frame rate and resolution on Sony A6400. Let's begin. In order to change the resolution and the frame rate of your videos, first you want to go to the menu settings, and now you want to go to the second tab of the settings, Movie. As you can see, if we scroll down, we will see that we have a record setting. We can click on it, and now you can choose between many different options. If you are not sure what these numbers mean, you can always press the trash bin icon, and now we will see that this option, for example, will record 100 frame progressive movies in 60 mega whatever, probably something per second. But yeah. And so now we can basically switch to whatever setting we want. I will switch to maybe 25p per 60m. So this way this will probably take the lowest amount of space maybe, and this will take the most amount of space on our SD card. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.